What up YouTube, this is 34 Skyline, and today's unboxing I have a Titan RTX. But let me first off by saying this, but this Titan RTX is not going into this Mac Pro. I'm just going to test it out and see if it works into this Mac Pro, but it's not going into this Mac Pro. I'm planning either one, building a PC, or number two, I'll be waiting for the 2019 Mac Pro to come out. If it's modular, like they're saying it is, that I can swap out video cards, like I can swap out this Mac Pro right here, then I will put this RTX into that Mac Pro, the 2019 Mac Pro. So I'm just waiting for that. But if the 2019 disappoints me, like the 2013 Mac Pro did, because in the 2013 Mac Pro, you cannot exchange GPUs. That's the reason that I sold that Mac Pro, because I couldn't swap out video cards. But in this Mac Pro right here, I had the first card I ever had was an AMD 5870, and then I upgraded to a AMD 7970, then I upgraded to a GeForce 1080 GTX, and then I upgraded again to a Titan X Pascal, and now I have a Titan RTX. But like I said in the beginning, this Titan RTX is not going into this Mac Pro. I'm just going to test it out, see if it works. I'll be a guinea pig for some of you people that are planning to purchase a Titan RTX for your Mac Pro, to see if it works. So let's get to the unboxing of the Titan RTX. The gold Titan RTX. That's the back. Take it out of the plastic. The back plate says Titan RTX. It's a little Nvidia symbol right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. And here's all the inputs. No more DVI. The back plate is black. Normally the back plate on the other one was, the back plate is silver. Right here, as you can see. Okay, let's see what else comes within this package. You get your literature, a quick start guide, you get your support guide. I can see it, your support guide, and you get a cable to hook up to a DVI. If you have a DVI monitor. 3 monitors that I'm looking at is the Dell 8K, which is $4,000. I don't care about that. And Apple's, I think, supposedly come out with an 8K, or I will get the Predator X35. Because that one's HDR and it's ultra wide. So I think about getting that one, and the 8K by Dell or the 8K by Apple. I really want the 8K with Apple because it will be a brushed aluminum. So hopefully Apple does come out with one, I will get that one. If all that will be thrown to the side, I just wanted to see the 2019 Mac Pro. When that comes out, then I make my final decision on what monitor and what computer this Titan RTX will go into. But for right now, I'm going to test it in my 2010 Mac Pro. And I'm sure it's going to work. What you're going to need to hook up this card to this Mac Pro, you're going to need two 8-pin connectors. Mini 6-pin to a standard 8-pin. I know that it'll probably bottleneck with that kind of connection, but there's another way you guys can connect this card, power this card on this Mac Pro to go into the PSU. But I'm not going to go through that route because, like I said, this is not for this computer. I'm just going to test it out, see if it works. But yeah, there's two ways you can hook it up. Either you can buy two 8-pins to mini 6-pins and power it that way, or like I said, you can go through the PSU and get power from that way. Most people that I read online is going through the PSU. They get power from there. But I'm not going to do that because like I said, this Titan's not for this computer. At YouTube, I'm going to install the Titan RTX in the Mac Pro. Take the port covers off. Alright, YouTube, it's in. Now I'm going to screw in the metal plate. And I'm plugging in one of the 8-pins. Okay, and I'm tightening it really tight. There we go. And there you go, the Titan RTX in the Mac Pro. Alright YouTube, the Titan RTX is in the Mac Pro. Look at the reflection in the back. Cool, huh? Well, you guys, I got everything set up. I'm going to show you the computer now. The Titan RTX is in the computer, as you can see. And here's the back. This is the cable. Yeah, as you can see. See, it's hooked up. That's the wire. All the way to this adapter, and then it's plugged up. Okay, everything is plugged up. Now I'm going to show you that it will boot in OS X using High Sierra. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm holding down the Option key. There's the bong. There's the screen. It just takes a couple minutes. and I'll put it closer. That's my old drive, the Nvidia Pascal, and there's Windows in the recovery. This is on the Mac Pro. It just worked. Okay, I'm gonna put it on macOS. There's the Apple symbol. It's kind of slow because this is on a regular hard drive. I don't have Mac OS on an SSD right now, currently. But it's working. A Titan RTX on a Mac Pro, working. But like I said, it doesn't, if you go to the Nvidia installer, it doesn't detect the video cards because Apple has not approved the drivers for this card. There you go. Here's High Sierra. I'm going to put my password in. Kind of glitchy, as you can see. But there you go. Okay. There you go. It's working on a Mac. It's launched. You know, it does have little glitches there and there because, like I said, you can go on the internet. There you go, and it's working. Titan RTX on a Mac Pro works. It boots, but I have an issue, and maybe you guys can answer it for me. When I boot into Windows, I'm getting a white screen. So I don't understand that. So unfortunately today I can't show you the Windows side until I figure that out. But if any of you guys know what I can do, majority of people are saying that I forgot. This one thing I forgot to do. I forgot to download the drivers, the 417.70, I believe. The latest drivers. I didn't download that yet on the Windows side, so maybe that's the issue. But like I said, the reason I like Mac OS, it just worked. I haven't downloaded no drivers. You understand? But it still comes up. I can still see the Mac OS, and without the drivers. You understand? So I just don't understand that at all. Why Windows you can't see anything. So let me show you. I mean, maybe you guys will understand. So I'm gonna shut down the Mac OS and I'm gonna put it on Windows. Okay, I'll let that shut down. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to put it on Windows, and it just shows a white screen. So now it shuts off. I'm going to turn the computer back on. See, it just boots into a white screen. I'm not holding down the keyboard or nothing. And it will stay like that. So I think that it's the drivers, I believe, I don't know. Because I have an external hard drive. So I put my SSD in my external hard drive and plugged into my iMac, and Windows works fine. But then when I plug it into the Mac Pro, put the Windows drive in the Mac Pro, and with the Titan RTX, because it's a Windows based card, it doesn't work. It doesn't show a picture. This is what it does, a white screen, and I don't have any cursor at all. So it doesn't show no picture, so I don't know what to do. But if any of you guys can help me with that to make it work, then I will do another video for that, okay? But the Windows did not boot because I didn't install the drivers before I installed the card. But like I said, the macOS don't need drivers, it just worked. And that's why I don't understand, why do Windows need drivers for everything? Why can't it just work? Okay, and I guess that's the end of the video, and thanks for watching. Peace.